Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own glitter at home. This glitter is sustainable and edible. So let's get started. So this is really very simple. First you'll need a bowl and you'll need to put some sugar in. Put as much sugar in as you like. This is going to be the amount of glitter you end up with. Next you want to add some food colouring. You can start off just with a couple of drops and keep adding more if you want the colour to be darker or richer. Mix it all together and you'll get something that looks a bit like this. Next, put some baking parchment on a tray and spread out your sugar on top of it. Put that in the oven for 7 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that 7 minutes is up, take it out of the oven and leave it to cool for at least 15 minutes. Be very careful because hot sugar can burn. Once the sugar has cooled down, break it up using the back of a spoon or your fingers. And it really is as simple as that. Now you have your very own glitter. And it even sparkles. You can play around with any colours you like. I went for blue, pink, and also purple. You can then add this glitter to any kind of crafts, just as you would with store-bought glitter. And as this glitter is edible, you can also add it to cakes, biscuits, or any kind of treat of your choice. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, do click the subscribe button. You can also find a playlist of similar videos linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.